What's up, YouTube? Saturday, cheers. I got a couple of these patterns in. Funny, GEC just had the run of Muskrat style knives. And I ended up picking up these guys. The jigging on this is fire. Nice shield. Why wasn't this an offering from GEC when they were doing the moose pattern? I just don't. And this is from Cripple Creek. A couple of big clips. 1095 steel. There is blade wrap though. As one of the blades literally rests on the spring. Maybe both of them. But yeah, check out this. I think this was like 50 on Amazon or eBay, and then this was 100. So yeah, I feel like, although I did like the Muskrats that GEC put out, although I need to sell a couple because I have too many of them. I feel like these would have been pretty nice to spice things up with, but in any event, that's about all she wrote for this one. Thanks for sticking with me to the end. Hope you folks have a good rest of your day. Bye now.